Here is a cover on the screen. You can tear it off before using. We also have batteries inside. Let's see how to change batteries. Firstly, remove the screws. We can see two AA batteries inside. Please notice that batteries must be installed in a right direction. Don't make them inversely. Turn on the products after pressing the left button 2 seconds. It has the NCV function like a test pen. We can use directly while opening. This is the voltage between null line and earth line. It will warm when the voltage of 5 volt. We also can see the correct or incorrect words on the screen. The sign of null line will twinkle when the null line is missing. It's the same of earth line. It shows nothing when the leaf line is missing. Normally, we need to have the leaf line. It's difficult to distinguish the null line and earth line by the socket tester. That the sign of leaf line twinkles means the leaf line is wired in the wrong place and in the lack of earth line. This signal means the leaf line and the null line are wired in the wrong place. There will be a small arrow. This signal means the leaf line and earth line are wired in the wrong place. There will be a small arrow too. You can also check the RCD function. The luggage switch will trip after pressing the right button. This is the basic introduction of socket tester. Thanks for watching.